Who would have thought that the glass bottles we casually discard are bought by a small workshop in Pakistan for 500 a pound and handcrafted into exquisite perfume bottles? They are still grimy, pungent-smelling shards of glass, but in the blink of an eye, they're transformed into containers for high-end perfume. The process isn't magic, but a perfect fusion of hard work and wisdom. This workshop is accustomed to glass shards mixed with various impurities. The craftsman first sorts the glass, then pours it into a basin to be thoroughly cleaned. With a rake and tongs working together, this task is a breeze for the master. After cleaning, these glass shards begin their brand new transformation. In the processing area, several workers surround a clay furnace. Fans blast at full speed and machines roar, yet the craftsmen dare not slack off. So this is where the craftsman adds the glass to the furnace. Glass melts at 1000 degrees. Here, we just heat it until soft, then use an iron rod to handle it. The technique is simple, but getting the amount right is an absolutely crucial step. Next, the molten glass is cooled and shaped in a mold, then quickly transferred to a press. In just a few seconds, an exquisite bottle is born. The bottle's yellowish tint isn't from impurities. It just hasn't completely cooled down yet. The shaped bottles then undergo annealing, a slow cooling process that relieves their internal stress. Anyone with a physics background should know what stress is. The perfume bottles are now finished. They look so clean and flawless, with incredible purity. Who would have thought these exquisite bottles came from discarded glass in a trash heap?